GoldenMatch. Entity resolution made simple. Step 1. Install. Pip install GoldenMatch. That is it. Step 2. Try the built-in demo. GoldenMatch demo. 16 records. 7 duplicate clusters found in 0.03 seconds. Here is what it actually looks like. 16 patient records with intentional duplicates. John Smith and John Smith. Matched. Jane Doe and Janet Doe. Matched. Bob Johnson and Robert Johnson. Matched. Golden records. The best version of each entity. Merged automatically using the most complete strategy. Step 3. Your own data. GoldenMatch dedupe customers.csv. Auto-detects column types. Picks the best scoring methods. 5 clusters found. 45% match rate. 0 configuration. 10 plus scoring methods. Jero Winkler, embeddings, Feligi Sunter. LLM boost for 4 cents. Privacy-preserving matching built-in. Scales to 10 million records with DuckDB. Pip install GoldenMatch. GitHub link in the description.